Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix NBA Live game from crashing. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, I'm going to give you about 3 or 4 different ways to fix this issue. The first method is to head over to your Player App Store, search for NBA Live and make sure NBA Live is updated to the latest version. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on play, and that should fix the problem. If it doesn't, the second option is to hold down NBA Live app, click on the little I button there next to NBA Live, and then from here you want to scroll down, go to storage and clear the cache. So I've already done that, so clear cache and then go back and see if NBA Live will work. If it doesn't, the third and final option would be to simply uninstall NBA Live, re-download it from your Player App Store, and then sign back in and see if that fixes the problem, which it should. Alright, they are the 3 options how to fix NBA Live from crashing. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.